Hey, this is not what you saw before just a few days ago. Listen, we had two versions of the 3D printed scissors episode to go, and we chose the previous one to air, but we have this other one, almost like our own Snyder Cut, and I really want you to see it. And I want you to tell me which one you like better, the one you saw before or the one you're about to see. So sit back, relax, and have a look at what we call our Snyder Cut of 3D printed scissors. I gave the scissors to my wife and she's gonna cut my hair. I'm gonna take off my glasses and we're gonna attempt to use the scissors for as long as possible. We'll see what happens. Ow, 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 ow. Let's just pause it right here because we didn't start with pain. Let's take you back to when the testing happened, and don't worry, we'll get back to this sweet, sweet haircut. The scissors were printed in two different materials, PLA and ABS, and both could cut paper, sort of, kind of. But what we did was sand the PLA and ABS to hopefully sharpen that edge and try to cut paper a little bit better, which it did. Holy cow! It worked! But it still wouldn't cut hair, no matter what we tried. It just won't do it. It won't grab the hair. So we improvised and we added metal. We took razor blades and hot glued them to the scissors, and that gave us a fresh, clean cut on paper. Paper's fine. And did it work on hair? You bet it did. It worked. And you know what that means? Let's go get a haircut.
It's not cutting them at all.
It's not?
No.
Okay. Get up there, Riley. Can you see it? Is it cutting?
No.
How is that possible? I just cut. How is it not cutting? I'm curious because I was able to cut.
That's what I'm getting, like that much out of the.
Hey, I heard it cut. Is it not cutting?
Not really. Yeah, it'll only take a whole day to. I hope Zach doesn't.
Ow.
Sorry.
See, got some. Is it possible? Ow.
Sorry, I got stuck in the.
Maybe we move to other scissors.
I think we moved to other scissors.
Okay. Ow.
Sorry.
You're pulling really hard. Not while I'm getting my hair cut, dog. Ow, ow, ow.
There, I got some more.
Okay, well, why don't we consider that your victory lap? That little bunch of hair. So at this point, my haircut is done. We used 3D printed scissors as much as possible, but I could only take the pain so much, and then we transitioned to actual hair cutting scissors and some buzzers, clippers for the end process. I'm gonna go shower up and clean off all of this hair, and then come back after I've washed my hair and put a little schmutz in it, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, do you wanna get the vacuum?
2 hours later.
Here I am. What do you think? I think my wife did a pretty good job. Here, I'll do a spin. Look at that. There we go. There we go. There we go. I vacuumed up all the hair off the deck. Maya's right over there. Hi, Maya. These are the 3D printed scissors, and while the plastic didn't work to cut the hair, the metal, I guess, didn't really work either. But I don't think this is a failure. I think we just couldn't adapt the design. I think that had this model been changed to accept razor blades, or maybe had a shorter blade so that this just kind of fit in or something like that, I think that could have worked really well. We used it as much as we could. I went as far as I could enduring the pain, and then we switched to real scissors. So big thanks to my wife for the awesome haircut, and now I can go film more, which is great. But listen, if you want to try something, don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to fail, and try to get others to help out, because then you can at least laugh and have a really good time. Listen, if you've made it this far, you're awesome. I really hope that you get to go and adapt a design or make something really awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. I do love you all. Fight for a cause you believe in. And as always, high five. Oh yeah, right? We can put the end card in there. Scissors, 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 scissors.